To all Malawi students there, how are you students? Students, I need to ask you one question. Okay, you will be replying. When you go to purchase something, for example, if you visit to DMart, you have done a very huge bags of shopping. Now, when you go out of the mall, what do you need to go out? Remember, one person is standing there who is checking your bill. Exactly. He places a stamp that the bill amount is paid. Have you ever observed what is bill? Yes, you have observed it. आपने कभी ध्यान दिया होगा तो बिल के अंदर पहले रिसीवर्स नेम, जिसका बिल है वो उनका नेम और टाइटल होगा, फिर आपका नाम होगा, फिर आपने जो जो चीजें बाय की उन सब की एक लिस्ट होगी, आपने कितने यूनिट्स बाय किए उनकी एक लिस्ट होगी, व्हाट वाज द अमाउंट, व्हाट इज द टोटल अमाउंट, अमाउंट इन नंबर्स एंड ऑल्सो इन रिटन फॉर्म. Yes, you are right. So today in this chapter number 13, that is bills, we will see and we will learn more about bills. As you can see on the screen, this is a girl going for shopping. I am going to the grocery shop. Look at the things I have to buy. She had prepared a list of the things she needs to buy. Let's move now.
The grocery shop. Look at the things I have to buy. Whenever we buy something, the shopkeeper gives us a statement of the total amount due to be paid. This statement is called a bill. A bill is simply an account that lists the details of goods and services bought and the total money which needs to be paid for them. It is an important proof of purchase when seeking refunds for damaged goods, exchanging goods.
What your friend said? Exactly. बिल एक स्टेटमेंट होता है जिसके अंदर ये लिखा होता है that you have purchased all these things and you are supposed to pay the amount to the seller. For example, in the terms of clothes, bill is must. अगर आपको कोई क्लोथ रिटर्न करना है, वो डैमेज है, तो आपको बिल चाहिए होता है. That is a proof कि मैंने इस डेट को यहाँ से ये क्लॉथ बाय किया था and now it is time for the exchange. I need to exchange this product. For that also you need bill.
Second, disputes. Let us study a bill in detail and discover the information it provides. Sample bill.
This is the sample or specimen of a bill. In this you can view bill number, date, customer name and address. This is the address of the seller. आप जिसकी शॉप पर गए हो उसका सीरीज नंबर, particulars in this you will write what are the products you purchased, the name of the products, quantity 1, 2, 3, or in the terms of vegetables or grocery or grains you can write kgs, half kg, 1 kg, 2 kg. What was the rate per kg and what is the total amount? Total for the signature will be there. This is the minimum requirement of a bill.
A bill must contain the following information: name and location of the shopkeeper or supplier, name and address of the customer or purchaser, bill number, bill date, serial number, particulars of items purchased, quantity of items purchased.
This is the list of a bill. These things must be there in a bill.
Unit price or rate of each item purchased, cost of individual items purchased, total money to be paid to the shopkeeper, signature of the shopkeeper or supplier. Preparing a bill. Example 1. Mrs. Roy went to a Aftab hardware store and bought the following items: 3 buckets of yellow paint at rupees 425 per bucket, 4 buckets of white paint at rupees 270 per bucket, 2 paint brushes at rupees 175 per brush, 2 tool blocks at rupees 350.
Miss 25 per bucket. आप नोटिस करेंगे कि हर एक में पर दिया हुआ है. That means this amount is representing of 1 unit. और आपने टोटल यूनिट्स बाय किए वो आगे लिखे हुए हैं.
Dear Locke, prepare a bill for the items sold to Mrs. Roy. According to the bill book of shop, the last bill was bill number AHS/May/017. Solution. The bill is prepared as follows.
See, this is the bill. Here the bill number will be there. The previous bill was AHS May 017. So 17 की बदली यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 18. Date of purchase, customer name and address of the purchaser or the customer. This is the address of the seller. जिसका बिल होगा, जो बिल लिख रहा है, that address will be on the top of it. This is the first is the series number, particulars, yellow paint, white paint, paint brushes and rope. How many quantities are there? Remember, I have told you the quantities are written at the front side and the amount per piece is written at the back side. 3@425. So you will do multiply. Rate आपको सिर्फ एक चीज का दिया गया है. आपने कितने खरीदे हैं? 3. येलो बकेट पेंट की 1 की कॉस्ट है 425. So what will be the cost of 3? You will do multiplication. 3 into 425 equals to your total amount. White paint you purchased 4. The rate of 1 is 270. So 4 into 270 equals to 1080. The next is paint brushes. The cost of 1 is 175 and you bought it 2. So 2 into 175, 350. In this way the bill is prepared. First of all you will write the quantities and always remember the rate will be written as per 1 unit and the amount will be quantity into rate. I repeat again. First of all you will mention the quantities. Rate. In rate column always remember the rate will be mentioned of 1 unit. So the amount will be 3 into rate. I means 3 into 425 equals to the amount. Understood? Amount आप कैसे निकालेंगे? Quantity into rate. Then your total amount, the signature of the seller.
Remember, a bill lets the customer check the shopkeeper's calculations and verify if he or she is getting the required quantities at the price listed. Example 2. Aarti went to a garment store and bought some clothes. The shopkeeper gave her a bill which had some mistakes. Identify the mistakes and prepare the correct bill.
This is the bill. Let's read the question. Aarti went to a garment store and bought some clothes. The shopkeeper gave her a bill which has some mistakes. In this, आपको कुछ mistakes दिखेंगी. You need to rectify it. Let's check it out. Address, name, everything is correct. Bill number is also correct. The name. Now the mistakes will be quantity or amount. Understood? Let's see. T-shirts. उसने 2 T-shirts लिए. 1 T-shirt was for rupees 275. So the total will be 550. But the total is 600. So one error is here. Second, trousers. 2 into 600. That means 1200. It is correct. Third, jeans. उसने 3 jeans ली. एक jeans का cost था 900. Night fees are 27. So यहाँ पे आएगा 2700. 2700. यहाँ पे भी 3000 लिखे. So one error is here. Pair of socks. 4 sevens are 28. It is correct. Understood? In this bill, 2 errors were there. First error was in T-shirts and the second error was in jeans. So whenever you visit a shop, you receive a bill. Please have checking that आपने जितनी क्वांटिटी परचेज की है उतने का ही अमाउंट है उस बिल में या कुछ कम ज्यादा है. Okay students, be a aware customer. So here we complete the discussion of this. Let's move to exercise. So students, we have covered the topics from page number 106, 107, 108. So now it's your homework turn. On page number 108, you will see exercise number 1. In that there are 6 sums. You need to prepare the bill. If you have any doubt, you are free to contact your ma'am. Understood students? Don't worry, I will be sending the PDF for your reference. Take care of your health. Bye students.